simple way to enhance technical drawings in Adobe Illustrator is to use multiple line weights. Using a single line weight is a simple and efficient way to work. Using more than one line weight, however, your illustrations can have a bit more interest and suggest form without shaded fills. One method is known as the shaded line technique, which assumes a light source in the upper left. Here, edges facing away from the light are given a heavier weight. A more common method uses heavier lines on all outside edges of objects. In this example, the bottom of the cube and cylinder are thin lines because they represent the edge between two surfaces. A heavy line would suggest the objects float above the other art. In the case of the round hole, a varied line width makes a smooth transition between the front and rear-facing edges. To quickly add multiple line weights, AxoTools for Adobe Illustrator provides an option to automatically apply line weights to art that is extruded or projected, as well as an option for varied stroke widths where the thin lines transition into heavy ones. With a simple click of the Axo Line tool, you can toggle weights between thick and thin as necessary. Thank you for watching.